Cleaning out some mass airflow sensors for a 2006 Ford F-150 4.6 liter V8 using mass airflow sensor cleaner. Oh no, these are oxygen sensors and this is a carb cleaner, but I'm gonna use mass airflow sensor cleaner and a carb cleaner just to soak it overnight, spray it down, just to give someone an idea, a method they may want to use every 30,000 miles or so to save their sensors before they go out. But it'll be always better just to buy a new oxygen sensors. But I'm just giving you an idea of what it may look like, the process it will take if you want to clean your own oxygen sensor. Here you go. I'll start off with mass airflow cleaner because it's more friendlier to electric parts. It's quick drying. As you see right there, but you know me, I'm gonna take it a step further and try the carb cleaner. This is also dissolves carbon deposits. A lot of people use this carb cleaner and they say it works, so one way to find out, so I know it'll do the job and clean, just to give you an idea. As you can see, these don't dry that quick. Allow me to wipe one down. This sensor is very bad. All these sensors after wiped and sprayed still came out very carbonated, dark color, so it'd be better if I replace them. But you may have better luck than me on cleaning your sensors out. And don't forget to check if your wiring don't have corrosion. This may send a bad signal to your computer. Wire corrosion on the inside. But I'll go ahead and soak these overnight and put them away just in case I need to bring them out and replace any sensors that I have. Just a basic idea on what you need or use to spray your oxygen sensors and leave them overnight, and place them back in your vehicle. So good luck on your next adventure with your truck or car. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Hit me up with some comments. Let me know what you like or dislike. Thank you.